In OnePlus flagship family, there is three phones now: the OnePlus 13, 13R, and 13S. But which one is good for whom, and does they justify their price? Let's start with the OnePlus 13R. It is the least priced phone among the three, but at its price point, it is a great performance-centric phone with clean UI. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is a last year processor, but it's a flagship processor still the date. The display is good, 120Hz AMOLED, oxygen OS is proper here. You get a proper three cameras with a telephoto lens, a 6000 mAh battery, as I say, great for who want a performance centric gaming centric phone. But remember, it still comes with a USB Gen 2 IP65 rating, not IP68, and the cameras are not so much good. But as a performance centric phone, it is great. And those who does not want to spend more but still want a good oxygen OS performance phone, go with this. Now the newborn baby, the OnePlus 13s. It comes with the latest and greatest 8 Elite 12-256 as the base variant with a great camera setup. Like the display is also good. The phone comes with a big battery as its size and fast charging, but remember the IP rating is still 65 and USB generation is older and it does not support any wireless charging. As I say, cameras are good, it is practical, but only two: main and telephoto, no ultra wide. Remember that. So, does this phone a good choice for everyone? As I say, it is not, because it's more look like a iPhone copy, especially when come with the change on action button instead of alert slider. You can say it is a little toned down version of the 13R with more performance and compact size. So, for whom this phone is mainly, I think those who are already using a compact phone like Pixel 7, Samsung S22, but are concerning about the battery, they can definitely go with this because it does not have battery comparison. Now the big daddy, the OnePlus 13. Yeah, this is the most best phone made by OnePlus till none date. The 8 is great. The display is super good with Quad HD plus resolution and LDPO technology. 100-watt charger is available in the box, and yes, it supports wireless charging, and it comes with the Gen 3.2 USB port. IP60 is there. The best and reliable camera of OnePlus ever made. Oxygen OS, it's now better after removing the colorways features, and it have the oxygen pure blood, the alert slide. So among this phone there is a big price difference. For me, you can go anyone at your price if it allow. All are good, but you are totally serious of buying phone, I suggest you to buy it from the official OnePlus website, because you get instant card discount, great exchange bonus, and extra add-ons like OnePlus Buds for free if you buy it from the official OnePlus store, no matter online or offline. So if you really serious to buying them, check out them in the official website, all three phones.